Hey guys, Pretzel here, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing my Godzilla 1964 figure. He's still in this box, so let's go ahead and get started. This honestly was unexpected. I didn't think I was going to be getting him today. I knew that my local post office had him, but I thought maybe they weren't gonna mail it to me because Thanksgiving is tomorrow, so maybe they had a short day and it was just gonna be there till like Friday or something. But I knew it was a possibility that I could get it today, but like I said, I just wasn't really sure. But here it is. Here's this stuff. There's the box. Papers. Unravel. It is extremely cold. There's the box right there. It's going to be a bit of loop glare. That's nothing I can really do about it because of my screen. It shines off of it, but here's the guy inside. Although you can see myself. You can see the figure right here. See it? There, that's good. I'm gonna give a good look at it myself. Here, it looks pretty nice. My thoughts on the box. Like I said before, this box is pretty cool, but one of my least favorite out of all the new boxes that have been coming out for the Neca Godzilla figures. And I'm pretty sure we can all agree that this Godzilla right here looks like Godzilla 1964 or 62. So many numbers and so many dates, it confuses me. And of course, this is the poster from Mothra versus Godzilla 1964, or as it says right here, and right here, Godzilla against Mothra. But I'm pretty sure it's Mothra versus Godzilla. So, there it is. I'll just cut this open. Right, that. Bring him out of the box. And paper too. And whatever this was, probably attached to something. So we'll do that. And there's the box. I'll put this over here off the side. Here we have the infamous paper. Tell you how to put the thing on the thing. Give it a good look at it. You guys can have a look at it. There. That's what it looks like. There you go. Now I use my infamous nail clippings. Let's see if this will work. There goes that. I feel better if I do this from the back. Come on. Damn it. Maybe I could use this. There's that. we go. Oh, there's one for his leg. Didn't see that. Or foot. There we go. There is Godzilla. He is extremely stiff. I'll put him right here. That. There's that. So there's the tail. And there's the atomic breath. This and here. And I'll put this away. Boop, boop, boop. And now we can look at the figure. So here it is. My shoulder's hurting. I don't really want to do anything really to it because I do not want to break this figure. I've done that before, having it all stiff and trying to move the joints, and then there goes that. So I don't want to do this here. This figure is very stiff, very stiff. So yeah, I'll definitely put it under some hot water and blow dry it too. Do whatever I can, and it'll hopefully be ready for the review. Let's see if I can get that in there. Nah. But yeah, that's the unboxing. Quick little sum of what I think of it so far. It looks really, really good. And I'm sure the articulation is going to be good. Of course, not as good as SH Mustards, but NECA's been doing very well with their Godzilla figures, and we'll see what my full thoughts on this are in the review. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.